Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy almond milk hot chocolate with just these 3 ingredients. We've got almond milk over here. I'm using 100% chocolate that's just pure, beautiful dark chocolate. You can really use any chocolate you like, and as you can see I'm using maple syrup as my sweetener of choice. But really, if you prefer to use a sweeter chocolate, you might not even need the maple syrup. If you want to make it low carb, keto friendly, use stevia instead. There's loads of different ways to flavor it. You can really do anything you like, and I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the easy instructions as well as loads of ideas for variations. So how we're going to make this is really heat up the milk. I've got the milk over here. We're going to heat it up, and then we're going to mix in the chocolate and the maple syrup once it's nice and bubbly. So I've got my saucepan over here, and what I've done is I've filled up the mug that I'm going to be using with milk, with my almond milk, and pouring it straight in. That way I know that I have enough. You can just measure out a cup, or really just use the mug you're using, measure out to a really heaped cup, pour it in, and that way you'll have the perfect amount. So I'm just going to bring this up to a simmer now. So I've now got the milk on heat. It's not really focusing, but really just heat it until it's bubbling, and as soon as it's bubbling we'll take it off the heat. It's really only taken a couple of minutes and it's up at bubbling point, so we'll remove it from the heat and stir everything else in. Now that the milk's reached boiling point, it's still not focusing. I've taken it off the heat. I've just got it cooling over here, and I'm just going to add the chocolate straight into that. I've really just got one square that I'm going to pop in and really quickly whisk it through. It really doesn't take much to melt that chocolate. And I'm just going to pop in my sweetness. It's up to you how much you'd like to use. Half a teaspoon, a teaspoon, half a tablespoon. Add less, have a taste, and add more until it's sweet to your liking. I'm going for a nice teaspoon of the maple syrup. It is 100% dark chocolate, so it is pre-dark. There is no sugar, absolutely nothing in it. Right, that is nice and mixed through, and I'm just going to pour it into my mug now. Okay, it's all still pretty hot. I'll just move that aside, get my beautiful mug out. Oh, there you go. And we'll just move it all around a bit and pour in the hot chocolate. Oh, that's just beautiful, every last drop. We'll move that out now. But have a look at that beautiful hot chocolate with almond milk. It's dairy free, it's vegan. If you use stevia instead, you can make it low carb, keto friendly, but it's just a beautiful warming drink. It's gotten chilly, the weather, slowly lately, and I've just been loving having these hot chocolates. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give the recipe a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full recipe and loads of variations too. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!